Today we're coming at you with another Masonry IQ tutorial video where we're going to learn how to automate section and plan view details inside of Revit. With Masonry IQ, you can automate your section and plan view details by adding Masonry IQ materials to your Revit model. Just replace the materials in your wall with what you created in Masonry IQ and analyze to have those wall patterns added to your Revit model. Now we have our pattern added to our model. Let's create our section and plan view details. Cut a section, then go to Utilities in Masonry IQ and select the option for Draw Sections. This will give you the option either to have Masonry IQ draw the sections for the active view or for every section view that you have in your model. Details will be automatically generated and you'll be able to have accurate masonry details to reflect the masonry within your wall system. The same can be done for our plan view details as well. Go to Plan, click Utilities, and then select the option for Create Unit Layout View. Masonry IQ will then generate details for how the masonry is laying out at the given elevation we are looking at in our plan. It'll show us how corners are laid out, what cut units look like, as well as units around movement joints. Now all your masonry details can be automated in a very quick and easy fashion with Masonry IQ. Check out all of our tutorial videos on our YouTube channel or visit us at 3diqinc.com.